How consumer brands stand out with packaging. Hi, my name is Fred and I'm a marketing professional. Did you know that product package designs have a significant impact on buying behavior and that a single 30-minute shopping trip exposes a customer to more than 20,000 product choices? With all these choices, most consumers agree that finding products that fit their needs and pique their interest depends almost entirely on the packaging. Now that you have a better understanding of why packaging is so important to the success of your product, let's learn how you can stand out against other consumer brands with your packaging design. Find a competitive edge. Leaders in the consumer goods industry understand that in order to be successful and increase sales, they must create packaging that looks great while also being practical, technically innovative, and low on material waste. With 3D printing, you can achieve the speed and design freedom you need to determine successful packaging fast and get to market quicker than your competitors. Maximize 3D printing. Once you've figured out how to make the entire workflow faster and more efficient, you can save both time and money at every stage of product development. Using multicolor, multi-material 3D printing at every stage of development, from ideation to testing and beyond, will allow you to create prototypes that look, feel, and operate like finished products without the need for painting or assembly. Make it memorable. Product developers can increase their speed to market thanks to workflow efficiencies made possible from reliable, repeatable, and high-quality parts. Prototypes today can also be produced with the appearance of varied textures and patterns, allowing you to create a truly memorable product and package design. With vivid 3D printed prototypes, consumer goods companies are not only saving time and meeting deadlines with ease, but increasing business as well. 3D printing can help you improve the rate at which consumers purchase your product, as well as allow you to make product adjustments faster and more efficiently. If you want to learn more about how consumer brands stand out with packaging, click the link below for more information.